Confused about which type of nozzles you can use for your whipped cream cakes or for your buttercream cakes? Watch this video till the end to understand the advantages and disadvantages of using Russian nozzles or regular nozzles for your cake decorations. Hi guys, this is Dipti Harshad Vartak and welcome to my baking channel. If you are wondering which type of nozzles you can use for taking your cake decorations to altogether a new level, you are at the right place. Because in this video, we will decode what type of nozzles a beginner baker should use for making their cake decorations look absolutely amazing. So let's get started. First, let us start by understanding what are Russian nozzles and what are regular nozzles. Okay, so let me show you the Russian nozzles that I am using for my cake order. Right, you can see these particular nozzles are called as Russian nozzles. If you see the height of these particular nozzles, and they are quite big as well. So when you are using these kind of nozzles for your cake decorations, they are going to create intricate floral designs on your cakes. Right, when you are using this in your piping bag, remember the piping bag has to be slightly big. Right, why? Because if you see, so the mouth of this particular nozzle is such that आपको अपना piping bag जो है plastic piping bag which you use for decorating your cakes, वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा कट करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा broad कट करना पड़ेगा. Okay, only in that case you will be able to see beautiful decorations coming out from this nozzle. You get variety of decorations using this particular nozzle. So अलग-अलग type के tulips, अलग-अलग type के roses, these kind of intricate floral designs you will be able to make on your cakes just by using a Russian nozzle. So now let me also show you what do I mean by regular nozzles. So regular nozzles are these kind of nozzles like your round tip nozzle, your big star nozzle, your 1M nozzle, right, or small 1M nozzle. So these are the kind of nozzles you can use for decorating your cakes as well. Now, what is the difference between the Russian nozzle and the regular nozzle? It is very simple. Like I have already said, Russian nozzles will help you create those intricate flower designs on your cake. And you know what? These are perfect for adding that touch of elegance on your cake. Right? That is why we use Russian nozzles for our cake decorations. Regular nozzles, however, they will offer a lot of versatility. Right? Because they came in variety of sizes, they came in variety of shapes. Right, you can see different type of decorations, and you know what, just by using one nozzle you can create like 9 to 10 different decorations on your cake. So अगर आप हमारे सुपर बेकर प्रोग्राम में ज्वाइन करेंगे तो मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि just by using one nozzle how you can create 10 different types of decorations on your cake. Right, when you are using your regular nozzles you will be able to do wide decorations on your cake. But if you look at the Russian nozzles, you can do just one type of decoration. Using this, you will be able to make just one type of flower on your cake. Okay, so that is a kind of challenge when it comes to using Russian nozzle for your cake decorations. Okay, so now if you are a beginner, just remember to use regular nozzles to start with. Right, I will also tell you step-by-step process on how you can and when exactly you should start working with Russian nozzles. So if you are a beginner, you are just getting started, just focus on first getting the consistency of your cream right. So whichever cream you are using whipped cream, you are using buttercream, you are using chocolate truffle, you are using chocolate mousse, or you are using cream cheese frosting as well. Focus on getting the consistency of cream right. Because when the consistency of the cream is right, then only you will be able to do beautiful decorations on your cake. Right? So first is focus on getting the consistency right. Then you should just focus on practicing with the regular nozzles. Once you are able to do just by using one nozzle, when you are able to do like 9-10 different decorations on your cake, then slowly you can move to slightly advanced techniques where you will be using such flower nails, and you can use petal nozzle for doing beautiful flowers using this particular flower nail. Okay, once you are through with this, right, by this particular time when you have mastered doing the flowers on the flower nail, right, after this you should move to the Russian nozzles. Okay, because by that time you would have really understood what is the right consistency of my cream, what is the right consistency for cake filling in between the cake sponges, what is the right consistency of the frosting for my cake decorations as well, what is the right consistency when I'm using this type of piping nozzle on my cake. Right, once you have mastered that, now slowly you should shift to using Russian nozzles for your cake decorations. Okay, so this is what you can do. The next part, which is very important, which you should keep in your mind is remember, whether you use Russian nozzles or whether you use regular nozzles, right, these three things you should always keep it in your mind. Like I have already said, the consistency of the frosting and what type of frosting you are using, that matters the most. The type of cake decoration that you are going to do, that also matters a lot. And the third and the very important thing is your personal preference. See, some of you will be liking to work with buttercream frosting. आप में से कुछ लोगों को chocolate truffle अच्छा लगेगा, आप में से कुछ लोगों को whipped cream cake अच्छा लगेगा, right? Whipped cream cake decorations. So it completely depends on what you are comfortable with. If you are comfortable with buttercream frosting, go ahead and do that. Because just by using regular nozzle, not just your whipped cream, but you will be able to make beautiful decorations using any type of frosting. So be it buttercream frosting, be it chocolate mousse frosting, be it chocolate truffle frosting, be it whipped cream frosting or cream cheese frosting, regular nozzles will help you a lot when it comes to doing beautiful decorations and variety of decorations on your cake. But when it comes to using Russian nozzles, try to stick to buttercream frosting because the consistency of the frosting is such that these intricate designs you will be able to do beautifully on your cake. Okay, if you have really mastered your whipped cream, then only you should use whipped cream and Russian nozzle combination. Otherwise, unless and until understanding the consistency of the cream that you are going to use on your cake, please do not go ahead and start using your whipped cream for your Russian nozzle cake designs. Okay, so this is the point that you should remember. There is one more type of nozzle that a lot of bakers are using at this point of time. So these are called as Sultan nozzle. Now if you see, they are huge, they are quite jumbo. Okay, so this is my Russian nozzle, this is Sultan nozzle, and this is my regular nozzle, which is 1M nozzle, right? You can see the difference between the size and the shape of the design. I will not recommend you should use this for your cake designs, right? Because of the fact that it is so big, your disposable piping bag will not be able to take the load of this. Plus, very little type of frosting comes out from this. Again, if the consistency of your frosting is not nice, this will not give you good decoration. This will work for your chocolate truffle design and this will work good for your buttercream designs. Whipped cream also you can use it, but the beautiful part is that, say for example, अगर आप रसमलाई केक बना रहे हो या फिर आप गुलाब जामुन केक बना रहे हो, right? या कोई भी फ्रूट केक बना रहे हो, so the decoration that comes out of this particular Sultan nozzle, it creates a cavity in between that particular design, जिसमें आप अपने रसगुल्ला, रसमलाई या जो भी फ्रूट है वो आप रख सकते हो और वो बहुत ज्यादा सुंदर दिखता है. So you can use that. Otherwise, this type of nozzles is generally used along with the cloth bag. Cloth piping bag जो market में मिलता है, people use it along with that. And this is specifically used for making cookies. तो जो भी pipeable cookies रहते हैं, pipeable batter for your cookies, you can use this Sultan nozzle for making those pattern cookies from your home bakery. Okay, so this is Sultan nozzle, Russian nozzle and the regular decorated nozzle. Now if you are a beginner and if you want to learn how you can convert your kitchen into a bakery, how you can start your profitable home bakery business in just 30 days, I've got something for you. Just click on the link below given in the description box and join my live webinar where I will give you the 6 steps to convert your kitchen into a profitable home bakery in just 30 days, right? So join that webinar and I will see you live inside my webinar. And as far as this video is concerned, if you have loved this particular video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload such an informative video for all those amazing people and all those amazing bakers out there. Till then, keep smiling, happy baking and keep decorating lot many number of cakes and keep spreading happiness from your home bakery. Thank you so much.